Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix the blue screen error when launching Delta Force. So let's start. For the first step, go to the Windows search bar, search for settings. After that, this will open, so go to the left menu and select Windows Update and click on download and install, or check if you have the latest updates available right here. Just wait for it to finish. After that, go to the search once again and search for NVIDIA app. When it opens, go to drivers on the left. You will find the download or install button in the right here. Click it. This will install the latest drivers based on your graphics card. Select Express installation for faster download. After that, select continue to start the process. Next, open the Steam launcher and then go to top left corner and select check for Steam client updates. If you do have an older version, the download button will appear right here next to close button, so make sure you click on it. Otherwise, you're good to go and click on close. Go to the Steam logo once again. After that, select settings. This window will pop up. So go in the left menu and select downloads. After that, scroll down. You can see the clear cache element right here. Select it. After that, select confirm. Now go to storage. After that, make sure you select the driver where you installed Delta Force on. Select it. After that, go to these three dots, settings. After that, select and click on repair library. Now go to library and then go to collections. In the left menu, look for Delta Force. You can search for it in this search bar. Now go to the right and select this gear icon. After that, click on properties. This tab will open. So go to launch options and type in like this -DX11. For the next step, go to installed files in the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. This will begin verifying the missing and corrupted files, and the blue screen issues will be fixed. Just wait for the process to finish. After that, make sure to go to the Windows icon right here and restart your computer, and that's it. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.